Good morning, eh? I'm going to show you the video of the progress to the date of the cabins. We have armadas. Well, we are in the process of assembling this, which is where we are asking the question at the same time. We had put the roof on it before. To this one, but the interior material had not arrived. So we left it there until now that the last one came along. Container with the rest of the materials. Because we were told that effectively, first is armed from the inside out. The first thing is that we put the floor before windows and doors. And last night I was corroborated that no. So I'm going to have to make a cut. To be able to put the windows and doors and directly on the metal. The other thing is that by doing that, we have left, by having this profile from here, and to the door and the window. Go directly to the profile here, then this wooden USB stick. She won't have to hold on to it because she was grabbing in the metal profile. We're going to have to paint something for it to catch on. For the next ones, I would like to be informed how to do it. So we have also had to do several cuts in order to place the fiber cement board. Because no, they do not give the measurements with the metal profiles. There are some points in which he has nowhere to clinging, for example here near the back door. Down here you do not have, there is no profile to hold on to. There is no profile. Below here, so I'll have to. So we have it armed. There is another detail I would like to consult you, and I have already shown it. At the door and the window, and I see that there is a light. What part? What's up down here? Even in metal, but it opens up here a bit. Imagine it must be some game. In the screw settings, so that it exactly fits. If you have any opinion on the matter, I would appreciate it. We will install doors and windows and then proceed. Here to the bathroom part, we will work on this side. I imagine myself with these sheets. And on this side must be, I imagine that the walls. With fiber cement board. And then a coating of SPC. This is the floor. The picture I thought it was where I missed us. That does not have the firmness and well, we have already been told that it will be. That does hold up for the ceramics and that was. And we're going to need to know where the drain is going to go and how. The drainage is carried out and facilities. Electric, where am I going to put the pipe? For because we have these profiles where I put the electrical pipe. Because nowhere has holes. For the pipe or have it, some of them. But we do not know if they are the ones that are needed.